Imagine a car so rare, so powerful, and so breathtaking that it feels more like a piece of art than an automobile. That's exactly what the 2026 Bugatti La Voiture Noire represents. Welcome back to Honest Auto Reviews, where today we dive into one of the most jaw-dropping hypercars the world has ever seen. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 La Voiture Noire is its design. Sleek, sculpted, and menacingly elegant, it looks like it was carved from obsidian glass. The long body, flowing curves, and signature Bugatti front grille are all there, but the attention to detail is simply beyond imagination. Every line and surface is crafted to not only look stunning, but also channel airflow with surgical precision. It's not just a car, it's a moving sculpture. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast. Bugatti has equipped the 2026 La Voiture Noire with its legendary quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine. We're talking about a staggering 1,600 horsepower, launching this hypercar from 0 to 60 in under 2.4 seconds. The top speed? Well over 260 miles per hour. But it's not just raw numbers, it's the way the power is delivered. Smooth, controlled, and almost effortless, making it feel like you're piloting a jet on wheels. Inside, the 2026 La Voiture Noire is just as breathtaking. Bugatti has combined cutting-edge technology with handcrafted luxury. The cabin is wrapped in the finest leathers, carbon fiber accents, and polished metals. The infotainment system is sleek and modern, but it doesn't overwhelm you. Instead, it feels like a cockpit built for those who demand both performance and comfort at the absolute highest level. Of course, exclusivity plays a huge role here. This isn't a car you'll see parked on every billionaire's driveway. The 2026 La Voiture Noire is among the rarest vehicles on Earth, with only a handful being produced. And with a price tag soaring well above $15 million, it's reserved for those who see cars not just as machines, but as legacy-defining investments. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Bugatti La Voiture Noire is more than just a car. It's a statement. A bold declaration of engineering mastery, luxury, and artistry, all fused into one extraordinary machine. It may be unattainable for most, but it redefines what's possible in the world of hypercars and continues to cement Bugatti as the pinnacle of automotive excellence. This has been Honest Auto Reviews, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Bugatti La Voiture Noire, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more reviews of the world's most incredible vehicles.